Hello guys, welcome to our store rusblade.com. We would like to show you new knife front flipper from Custom Knife Factory. This is a model FIF20. It's compact folding knife with top materials like chaotic carbon fiber, titanium bolster with blast, bronze anodizing clip, backspacer. The blade has a steel M390 with logo of Philippe Jourget France and logo of Custom Knife Factory with beautiful satin finish. The knife has liner lock. Here you can find steel blade and serial number. The knife has very easy opening, like here. You can play with knife, but be careful, it's very sharp. The blade has very perfectly centered in close position. Together with knife you can find nylon shells, very smooth, with spare parts, clip, bearings, screws, etc. Certificate of authenticity, Custom Knife Factory cloth. Welcome to our store, waiting for your order. Bye.